Hello. Today we're going to talk about allergies. In the past, I've already talked about allergies for pollen and stuff like that, but today we're going to be talking about allergies with nuts. See, allergies is all about emotions. Individuals who suffer from allergies it's often due to experiencing hostile feelings towards an invasive, offensive partner, family, or environment. So your body feels the offense that's being done to it. So in people who suffer allergies may be suppressing deep grief due to a controlling and dominating childhood, which leaves them feeling very insecure and unsure of their position within the family. Allergies to different things have their own emotional factors. And for example, today we're going to talk about allergies to nuts. The individual who is allergic to nuts may have felt dominated by the controlling mother, father, male figure in their life, and are holding on to a lot of suppressed anger and resentment towards that figure. They may feel unwelcome in their own environment, unable to find their place of safety and peace. They often feel that others are watching and therefore they don't feel safe to take action. They are full of fear and mistrust. Of course, this is sabotaging their future goals as they are unwilling to take unnecessary risks anymore. They find safety in avoiding responsibility. They feel powerless because they are smothered, overprotected, and controlled by influential people. What can you do? So, if you suffer from allergies to nuts, peanuts, or whatever other nuts might be, you need to ponder, what is the fear of change about? What have you experienced in life with this? Who dominated your childhood? Who dominated you during childhood? How did that make you feel? Explore the trauma that made you feel smothered, out of control, or threatened. This may have made you feel defenseless, unheard, or helpless. Now, also explore feeling controlled. Who did this? How did that make you feel? And usually this happened during the birth stages. Now, also, I talked in the past about how your time in utero affects your present. In these cases, did your mother eat nuts that may have offended or caused you irritation while you were in utero, while you were in her belly? Did your mother feel out of control and suffocated in her life when she was eating these nuts while she was pregnant with you? What made her feel out of control and overwhelmed? We need to let go of resentment, suppressed anger, and allowing forgiveness towards that caretaker that was your primary caretaker for you. Now, this is not about placing blame on your parents, on your mother. This is about exploring this, getting down to the root cause of why you have that allergy to nuts and make you neutral. And then you will let it go. You will let go all these emotions that came with it. And with that, have a great day. Bye-bye.